Hi, on this short video, I'm going to talk about how to format text in Word. First, I'm going to take one of the text box from this document. Let's say the title, this one. I'm going to select text and I'm going to go on Home and on Font for formatting text. So we can bold the text, italicize it, underline it, and even cross it out, or all at the same time, or all individually, of course. Also, we can choose a new font. This one is Arial, but I can choose Century Gothic or even Georgia, and like you see, many other possibilities. Then we can change the font size, let's say manually. So I can write it manually, so 16, for example, or use the little button here, so to increase or to decrease the font size. Here, for this document, I say that 12 is perfect. Then, oh, sorry. Then we can change case. So there's five types of change case. 5 types, sorry, of change case. And we can lowercase, so no capitalized letter, or uppercase, so like this is. So all the letters are capitalized, or I can just clear all option with clicking on this button. So anyway, we can also of course use subscript or superscript. Let's say we use subscript, just put some letters or some numbers just to show you how to do it. Then we can change the text effect and the typography with other many options like these ones, the outline, shadow, reflection, glow. Anyway, we can also change the font color with all the theme colors that we have already here, or choosing more colors and customizing it. Let's say we use the two cursors here and here, and we say, oh sorry, I forgot to select the text. Okay, so let's say we use the two cursor here to change the color. Okay, if I want green, light green, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna go click on OK, of course, and that's it. So here we go, we have a new color. We can also highlight it with yellow or with many other color, and then I just want to clear it, so clear all of these. Then for the justifying for the finishing touch of my document, I can select all the text. So let's say I'm going to choose another text box. Let's say this one, and we can align the text to the right, center it, to the left, or justify it. Then in the second part of this video, I'm going to talk about text box. First, I want to add a title to my document, top right here. So I'm going to go on the Insert tab, add a text box. As you can see, there is many kind of text boxes, but personally I prefer to choose draw text box right here, so I can place it wherever I want to. So where I'm going to place it, let's say somewhere near the middle of the document, and I'm going to add a title. So my title will be 3D printing hockey helmets. Oops, sorry. Then I want to remove the shape fill color behind the text and the text box to no fill. So I'm gonna go on shape fill, no fill. Here you see that we cannot see the text very well, so I'm gonna change the font color of the text in the text box to white so I can see the title and yet the picture behind. So I'm gonna go on to Home tab and to font color white so we can see it. And the same, I will change the font to Sans Serif Gothic as it was already, and to the font size to, let's say, 36. Then I change the properties of the box so I can be able to see the box. I'm gonna also justify it to the middle, align it to the middle, sorry, and take my box to put it near somewhere in the middle. Then we can see that there's yet an outline of the box and I want to remove it. So I'll go on shape format, on shape outline, and on no outline. So to see is better. We can also do many other things with text boxes, such as changing it into shapes, oh, changing it into shapes or the font, but we remove it. Or we can, of course, add new styles to the text. So here is the document which talk about a new type of 3D printed hockey helmets that I want to send to potential partners. So I'm gonna go on mailing, start mail merge, and I want letters to be mail merged. Then I will select recipient from an existing files on my computers. Yeah, on my computer. Potential partners, document Excel, and okay. So then I will go at the bottom of the document to the little box here where I want to insert my merge fields. Here I want the customer name, then I want the city. Don't forget to put space between the merge field. I want the state, the postal code, and the country. Let's say we want also the segment and the order ID, as well as the ship mode. All of that to my potential partners. So then when I finish, I can click on finish mail merge and edit individual documents. So a new Word document will appear with the name and the information I wanted to be in the document. So for the different partners to which I will send this document. Then I'm gonna open a new blank document. I'm gonna go on mailing, start mail merge, label this time. Okay, and I'm gonna go step by step this time. So labels, next, use the current document, of course, use an existing file. As I said earlier, I will use the potential partners Excel file right here. Okay, I'm gonna insert merge field customer name and then address block. Next, of course, I update all labels so that the 10th name will follow the first. And I'll click on next, then the 10th name appear. So now for the finish touch in some words, I will select all of these. So Control A, right click, paragraph, and I don't add space between paragraph of the same style. Okay, so it looks better, of course, but I don't want again these little ugly spaces, sorry, between the customer name and the address block. Okay, so now I'm finishing the merge labels and I'm editing a new individual document. Okay, and so here it is. Then again, I'm gonna open a new blank document, but this time the mail merge will be not on letters, not on labels, but on envelopes. So I'm selecting an existing list, an existing file from my computer. As earlier, this is always the same file, so potential partners. So okay, I'm inserting the customer name. Oops, sorry. I'm inserting the customer name and then the address block so that I can finish edit individual documents. And here it is. So again, just erase this little ugly space between all, and here we go. We have our envelopes.